Hello and welcome to this video on web application security. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of securing web applications and the common vulnerabilities that threaten them. Web application security refers to the protection of web applications and their associated data from threats such as hacking, theft, and malicious attacks. Today we are going to discuss the top security risks that are associated with web applications. SQL injection, injecting malicious code into a web application's database to steal or manipulate data. Cross-site scripting, XSS, injecting malicious scripts into a web page viewed by other users. Cross-site request forgery, CSRF, tricking a user into making unintended actions on a web application. Broken authentication and session management, weaknesses in the way that a web application manages login credentials and user sessions. You can take the necessary steps to prevent them. Input validation, validating all user inputs to prevent malicious data from being entered into a web application. Encryption, encrypting sensitive data to prevent unauthorized access. Regular software updates, applying updates to fix vulnerabilities in a web application's code. Use of secure protocols, using secure protocols such as HTTPS to prevent eavesdropping and tampering of data. Web application security is critical to protecting sensitive information and maintaining the trust of users. By following best practices and staying informed of the latest threats, you can ensure the security of your web applications. Thank you for watching this video on web application security. Stay safe and secure.